Hi everyone, today we are going to try light up this glass. We'll try to use some sort of linear light or LED strip on the top of the glass and see how the effect will be. And second, we'll try to light up this area with the wall washer. Okay, so two type of light we are going to try. So first things we need to do a duplicate layer, go to the image, adjustment, exposure, reduce the exposure. Okay, make it dark. Now we'll try only one first. Let's see, we'll try this one. Select. Okay, there are two way of doing the glass lighting. One is by the brush tool, another is with gradient tool. So we'll try both of them. Let's try first with the brush tool. Take one layer. Okay, now select the color, whatever color you want to use for the for the window. Let's say I want to make it little bit of violet color. It looks nice in the window. So we'll make it one light, one little bit of dark. Now go to the brush. Take the little bit bigger brush. Make sure opacity is very less or 40%. Okay, because in the most of the time glass you will not see that much effect. Okay, so 40% is too less. Let's say 70%. Okay, this much, not more than that. Take one more layer. Sorry for my images. Make the brush smaller. If we are using LED strip on the top area will be more of light up mainly. Okay, the glass will not be that much visible, so it will look like this. And we have the edges of this glass which is not clear, the aluminum frame, that will look little bit of brighter. Okay, so if you see it, it will looks brighter, and the glass will not be looks that much brighter. Okay, now you can try one thing, change the mode and see which one looks better. I think this looks perfect. I think this one is okay. Now we can just make it merge both layer. Okay, now we can just copy it since both are almost same size. Just copy it. Sorry. Okay, so this is one way of doing the glass lighting. Okay, now what is another way? Another way is doing is by using gradient. Okay, let's say we'll use here. So we'll select the area. Okay, now we'll take a new layer. We'll go to the gradient, click here on the gradient. Okay, so here you can see, you can select the color. I kept, this is top one is 10% opacity, then this is 50%, then this is 50% as well. Down you can see we take the same color. Okay, this is little bit of brighter and this is little bit of darker. Okay, click OK. Now we'll try it, how it will look like. Okay, do it. Now it looks not look like lights because its opacity is so high. Now we'll reduce the opacity. Okay, we'll try the other mode. This one looks perfect. Now select and use this brush tool. Take another layer because we need to show a little bit of brighter on the top. Okay, and same thing here as I mentioned. Okay, now look at this. So this gradient looks better than the brush tool. You can use gradient or you can use brush. It's up to you, whatever you want. So this both way is possible to light up the glass. Now we'll try to light up this one, solid one, with wall washer. So first of all, we'll select the area we want to light up. Okay, let's say this much. You can do precise selection. I'm just to show it to you. Make it copy and control paste. So this is the area we want to light up. Okay. Now also here there are two ways we can do light up. 2-3 ways there. We can use brush tool, we can use gradient tool, also we can use the filter and the lighting effects. So brush, you already see that how to do the brush tool, and also gradient also same thing. Let me show you one time gradient. If we want to use the gradient, just select the warm color you want. First of all, little bit of brighter, then take the dark area, this is opacity, make it 50%, this one make it 70%. Okay, now again this one, make it color, this one on it. Okay, so we'll try it now. So you can see this one by gradient, or you can try from the up to down. This is by the gradient, and you can go here now. You can try the mode to change it to look like, and go to the opacity, reduce the opacity. We can try other linear also. These look good, but here try to delete a little bit. Okay, so it will look like light is there. Okay, so this is one way of doing by gradient, but I'm going to show you today not with gradient, with the lighting effects. So go to the filter, render, lighting effects. So here we are. This is one spotlight we are going to use. Okay, you can select the type of light you want. There are so many lights. Mainly I'm using the spotlight. Okay, spotlight, here you can control how where you want the lights. Okay, we'll take it little up so it will cover the full area. Okay, now the down one, we'll see up to where we want the lights. Okay, now we can select the light here. You can see, we'll make it first top one little bit more, and colorize, will make it little bit of darker. Intensity, you can select from here how the intensity you want. Okay, you can select whatever you want. Okay, now let's go. Okay, here if you want, if you again little bit of more darker, you can see, you can select this way they want. Okay, now you can bring it up to here, or you can bring it little bit of, yeah, now perfect. Okay, and here the colorize, you can select, you can adjust as you want. Okay, the hollow spot, okay, hotspot I mean, sorry, you can select, you can make it bigger and smaller. Also the ambience means the outside the areas, if you want to light it up, look at this. So no need to make ambience so much or not less, this much is okay. Okay, perfect. Now I'll click OK. See, without any brush tool or anything, it's perfectly lit up. So this is how you can use the from filter, from render, okay, and lighting effects. So this is the two things we can use. So now what we'll do is one more thing. Always whenever you finished your design, whatever is it, save it first. Let's say we'll save it anywhere in save it here. So one, okay, JPG, and open it again. Okay, now this is the one, you save it, right? Go to image, adjustment, brightness and contrast. Now do the contrast a little bit higher. You can see, you can adjust, you can have a look. It looks better. See? So I think gradient looks much better than the brush tool. I like it. So I think you can use the gradient tool for this kind of glass lighting. Anyway, so let me know what you learned in this video. Thank you very much, and please don't forget to subscribe our channel.